Alright, Hitman D1 here, and we're at the Horseplay car show. Let's check out the Mustangs we've got here. As you can see, it's an 05 with a Pro Charger. Got lots to choose from here. Let's go to the next one here. It's 200 inline 6, 66.
What was it, your truck? That's crazy. It may sound like a
67 306. It's born out on it. First of two Eco Boost in a row. This one's like a ruby red. Grabber blue. Of course, it's mine. We got an 05. Let's go down the line here and see what we got. Starting with the Coyotes, looks like. Doing a little video for my YouTube channel, you know how it is. Yeah, got little D and his child. Yeah, buddy. Look at here. It's kind of surprising, yes. I wasn't expecting that. I don't understand why you're at a car show, you leave your hood closed. Now look here. Oh yeah, there's the Eco Boost right there. We like to call the Eco Beast. Stole that from my friend over there in Philly, I think. Yeah, oh, Fox body. And I love my Fox bodies. Is that pink? Or is it just red that's been faded?
It's faded red. It's got a 5.1.
Let's find out what type of transmission we got in this bad boy. Hey, went with manual, that's good. Yeah, buddy. Oh, empty spot for the next Well, wait, there was a GT500 that was here. Oh, guess he didn't want to stay. Let's go to the Mach 1 here. As you can see with the emblem there, it's an 03 Mach 1. You don't have to look at anything else because the emblem tells you it all. Oh, 04 would have that 40th anniversary one, see. There's another Coyote. Boss 302. Celine with Ghost Flame. '99 2000-ish. Here's the owner's Eco Beast. Another one over here. And that's what we've got so far. We'll go over there and look at the Challengers here in a second.